Have you ever wondered how many airline parts make up that Airbus you're boarding? Rest assured, the number of parts of a plane is considerable. In fact, today's commercial airliners are made of literally millions of parts. To gain a basic understanding of aircraft design, we'll take you through the main parts of a Cessna Skyhawk. Both Epic-trained pilots and mechanics learn the different parts of an aircraft and their definitions through hands-on training. Proper aircraft maintenance is crucial, and learning how to fly or maintain an aircraft starts with knowing the parts. The following diagrams will allow you to view the basic structure and design as an introduction to the parts of an airplane. The parts of a plane are basic knowledge for all pilots. Whether you fly a Cessna 172 Skyhawk or a Boeing 747, pilots must know the main sections and parts of an airplane. Airplanes are not all alike, but they are composed of basic components. The main sections of an airplane include the fuselage, wings, cockpit, engine, propeller, tail assembly, and landing gear. Understanding the basic functions of how these parts interact is the first step to understanding the principles of aerodynamics. The fuselage is the main section or body of the airplane. If fuselage sounds like a French word to you, you're right. That's because it is derived from the French word for spindle-shaped, fuselage. This is where you'll find the passengers, cargo, and the flight crew. The fuselage is the foundation for the structure of the aircraft. The tail number, which identifies each plane, is often located at the rear of the fuselage near the tail. The wings of an aircraft serve the same purpose as the wings of a bird, hence their name. Airplanes are considered fixed-wing aircraft. Helicopters are considered rotary wing. A plane is capable of flight because its wings provide lift. Lift is created by the shape of the wings and the plane's speed as it moves forward. Wings include ailerons and flaps. Aileron is another French word meaning little wing or fin. They are used in pairs to control the airplane's roll or bank. Flaps reduce the stalling speed of a wing at a given weight. The leading edge of the wing faces the front of the plane. Likewise, the trailing edge of the wing can be defined as the back edge that includes the aileron and trim tab. Some wings are fixed high on the plane above the fuselage, known as a high-wing aircraft. Low-wing aircraft are planes in which the wings are installed lower than halfway up the fuselage. The cockpit of an airplane is also called the flight deck. This is where the pilot controls the aircraft. The cockpit includes a seating area for the flight crew, flight instruments, avionics, audio and radio communications, and the flight controls. Electronic flight instruments include a multi-function display. This is used to control heading, determine your speed and altitude, as well as perform many other readings during flight. The primary flight display typically includes the attitude indicator, airspeed, heading, and vertical airspeed indicators. A navigation display provides route information such as waypoints, wind speed, and wind direction. The flight management system includes details about the flight plan. A transponder, which shows the airplane's location to air traffic control, is also located in the cockpit. A glass cockpit features electronic flight instrument displays. These are usually large LCD screens instead of the traditional style of analog dials and gauges. Epic's entire fleet contains glass cockpits because the airlines require pilots to be experienced in glass cockpits. You will find dual controls in Epic's fleet. These are used by both the instructor and the flight students. An aircraft engine, or aero engine, is the power source of a plane. Most are either piston engines or gas turbines. Some drones or unmanned aerial vehicles have used electric motors. There are many manufacturers and models of engines. Each is designed for specific aircraft, whether large or small. Manufacturers recommend an engine overhaul at specified times after an engine has flown a certain number of hours. A propeller is an aerodynamic device that converts rotational energy into force. This force propels the airplane forward. This creates thrust that is perpendicular to its plane of rotation. Propellers typically have 2 or more blades. Propeller blades are spaced evenly around the hub. They are available in either fixed pitch or variable pitch configurations. The empennage, also called the tail or tail assembly, is located at the rear of an airplane. The tail provides stability during flight. This is very similar to how feathers on an arrow provide stability. Empennage is derived from the French word empenner, which means feather. The tail assembly consists of the vertical stabilizer, rudder, elevator, horizontal stabilizer, and static wings. The landing gear is the undercarriage of an airplane. It supports the plane when it is on the ground, and it allows the plane to take off, land, and taxi without damage. Most landing gear have wheels. However, some aircraft use skis or floats to operate on snow, ice, or water. Faster aircraft such as many twin-engine or jet aircraft have retractable landing gears. Upon takeoff, the folding landing gear are stowed away to reduce drag during flight. It is important for pilots and aircraft mechanics to learn the parts and functions of the aircraft. This basic knowledge provides the foundation for becoming a pilot or aircraft mechanic. In EPIC's courses, you will learn about every part across every inch of the aircraft. For more information and articles on aircraft and all their parts, check out our website at epicflightacademy.com. Be sure to like our video and subscribe for more epic content. And while you're here, check out some of our more recent videos and playlists.